Hi guys, hello and namaste everyone. So guys, behalf of the new week that is starting from tomorrow, let's see what guidance are we getting from angels. So the first card is okay. So if you are seeing this angel number, but a lot of time people see triple five, but if you're seeing four fives, this is the message angels are giving you that you need to take the charge of your life. This is being said, please don't give too much of authority to others to take decisions of your life. This is what I would say with this card. You need to come in your power. This is what has been said. There will be changes happening and you will be getting some opportunities where you will get the chance to take the charge of your life. If you're thinking you're stuck, you're trapped, now how can I take charge of my life also? So angels are giving you that opportunity with this number. So do take the utmost use of it. This is what I would say with this card. Let's see another message. Okay, books. Your life purpose involves writing, reading, editing, and or selling spirituality based books. Maybe for some of them, I'm clearly sensing that you may be even feeling it, that you are getting attracted a lot towards books. This is what I'm sensing over here. Another thing, that too specifically books related to spirituality, for some of them, that also you might be sensing, like you might be getting a lot attracted towards spirituality. Then yes, do write your own book if you have that experience. If you are a beginner in spirituality, fine, you won't be maybe able to write. But if you are experienced enough in spirituality now, and if you're getting that inner calling that I should write a book, or so maybe you're getting those dreams or some signs or so, go ahead. This is what angel is telling you. Yes, this is your soul purpose, because each and everyone's spiritual journey is something different, right? So maybe if you write a book or so, it may help some of them to resonate, to match. Yes, like them, even someone else is there or so, because some of the people who are there in spiritual journey, they do not even understand. They feel that why this is only happening with me and all. You might have experienced it. If you yourself, if you have gone through like years of spiritual journey, you were at a stage where you might have felt why this is happening with me, why only me, or this or that. So there can be another other people also who have just started their journey and they are totally unaware of it. What is this happening? But your book might help them, if not now, then later sometime. So do acknowledge it. Thank you. Very beautiful message.